Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Nissan Rogue S. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 118,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.